Think you need to spend a fortune to upgrade your woodworking game? Think again. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Kreg tools to bring you 10 amazing finds on Amazon, all under 50 bucks. From perfect pocket holes to flawless straight cuts, these budget-friendly tools will transform your workshop without emptying your wallet.
Number 1. Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig. Stop wrestling with cabinet doors and start installing them like a pro. This dedicated jig takes the frustration out of drilling 35mm hinge cups by delivering perfect alignment every single time. The 4-cutter carbide-tipped bit bores clean, splinter-free holes with a stop collar that controls depth automatically. No more blowouts or inconsistent results. Whether you prefer 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, or 6mm offsets, the adjustable positioning lets you dial in the perfect fit for any European-style hinge. Plus, you can place hinges as close as 50mm from the door edge or space them further apart for custom designs. It's cabinet making made simple and repeatable.
Number 2. Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder with Laser Mark. Say goodbye to guessing where your wall studs are hiding. This magnetic stud finder uses powerful rare earth magnets that lock onto screws or nails in both wood and metal studs. The best part? It holds itself to the wall, leaving both hands completely free to mark your spots. The built-in laser technology projects the exact stud location onto the wall, so you know precisely where to drill or hang. Precision-centered marking notches and a high-visibility bubble level ensure your shelves, cabinets, and heavy mirrors go up perfectly straight every time. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, this tool is a must-have for every DIYer and professional carpenter who wants fast, accurate, frustration-free results. Number 3. Kreg Portable Drilling Guide. Never drill a crooked hole again. This portable drilling guide gives you drill press accuracy wherever you work. Whether you're on a job site or in your home workshop, 6 built-in hardened steel guides handle all your common bit sizes, from 1/8 inch all the way up to 1/2 inch, so you're covered for virtually any project. The Grip Max surface prevents slipping, and the guide automatically centers itself on 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch material edges. No more wandering bits, no more ruined workpieces. Perfect for doweling, hinge installation, or any task requiring perfectly straight holes. This compact tool delivers professional results that will make every project look cleaner and more precise. Number 4. Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 320 with classic 2-inch face clamp. This is the pocket-hole jig that fits anywhere and does everything. The Kreg 320 is compact enough to use in tight spaces, yet powerful enough to handle materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. The included 2-inch face clamp holds your workpiece securely in place while you drill, preventing shifting and ensuring perfect alignment every time. The drill guides are easily adjustable without tools, so you can switch between material thicknesses in seconds. Built tough for repeated use, this jig delivers strong, consistent joints that hold up for years. Whether you are building cabinets, furniture, or simple shop projects, this tool makes pocket hole joinery fast, easy, and reliable. Number 5. Kreg Panel Carrier. Carrying large sheets of plywood or heavy panels just got a whole lot easier. This simple yet brilliant tool saves your back and your fingers by giving you a secure, comfortable grip on materials that are awkward and difficult to handle. The ergonomic design allows for one-handed carrying, reducing strain and fatigue, even with full 4-foot by 8-foot sheets weighing up to 100 pounds. It securely holds panels up to 3/4 of an inch thick without damaging the edges or surfaces. Whether you are moving materials around your shop, loading your truck, or positioning sheets on your workbench, this carrier gives you control and confidence. It's like having an extra set of hands. Number 6. Kreg Shelf Pin Jig 1/4 inch. Tired of measuring and marking every single shelf pin hole by hand? This jig eliminates the guesswork and delivers perfectly spaced holes in seconds. Designed specifically for quarter-inch pins, it creates evenly spaced holes that make your shelving look professional and factory-built. The edge-aligned design registers securely against your cabinet sides, so every row of holes stays perfectly straight and repeatable from top to bottom. Compact and portable, this tool sets up fast and works great for both DIY projects and professional cabinet making. Whether you're building custom bookshelves, kitchen cabinets, or garage storage units, this tool saves hours of layout time and ensures your shelves are always level and stable. Number 7. Kreg Rip-Cut Circular Saw Guide. Turn your circular saw into a precision straight-cutting machine with this portable guide. The universal sled attaches securely to most side-blade circular saws, both corded and cordless, transforming them into tools that rival a table saw for straight rips. The large handle on the edge guide maintains constant contact with your material, ensuring smooth, accurate cuts every time. It works with left-bladed and right-bladed saws, as well as worm drive saws. Perfect for breaking down large plywood sheets when you do not have space for a table saw. Just set your width, clamp the guide, and cut with confidence. It is compact, portable, and makes precise straight cuts accessible to any workshop. Please note, this guide does not work with saws that have bulky or odd-shaped plastic guards that interfere with the sled. Number 8. Kreg Zinc Pocket-Hole Screws. The perfect screws for your pocket-hole projects. This 250-count pack gives you plenty of 1 1/4-inch screws for all your woodworking needs. The coarse thread design is specially optimized for softwoods and plywood, delivering exceptional holding power while reducing the risk of splitting your material. The Maxi-Lock flat-bottom head features a large bearing surface that seats firmly and flush in the pocket hole, creating stronger, more reliable joints that will not loosen over time. Zinc construction provides dependable strength and durability for indoor applications, resisting bending and snapping during installation. Whether you are building cabinets, furniture, or shop projects, these screws give you professional quality results every time. Number 9. Kreg Trim Router Edge Guide. Unlock the full potential of your trim router with this precision edge guide. The ergonomic handle gives you superior control and stability, allowing you to guide your router bits smoothly along edges without needing bearing-guided bits. This opens up a world of possibilities, including perfect dados, grooves, fluting, inlays, and even circle cutting from 3.5 inches up to 15 inches in diameter. The clear, open design provides excellent visibility of your workpiece and bit, so you can maintain alignment and achieve repeatable, accurate cuts every time. Built to fit most trim routers, this accessory is a game changer for woodworking, cabinetry, and any detailed routing task where precision matters. Number 10. Kreg Drill Guide Pro. Take your drilling accuracy to the next level with this portable powerhouse. The Drill Guide Pro works with most cordless drills and features an adjustable angle from -45 to +45 degrees, so you can drill perfect holes at virtually any angle without being locked into fixed stops. The built-in dust collection adapter keeps your workspace cleaner by capturing debris at the source, while the integrated depth stop ensures consistent hole depth every time. Non-marring, non-slip feet protect your workpiece and prevent movement, and the convenient handle gives you excellent control and maneuverability. Whether you're drilling angled pilot holes, dowel joints, or hardware installations, this guide delivers professional precision wherever you work.